Hello, Humble Bakers. So, meron tayo itatry today. So, may nagtanong sa akin if kaya daw ng Meraki na mag-extract ng 100 single shot ng espresso. And ilang oras daw yung aabutin. Kasi gagamitin nila sana for events. So, kailangan nilang mag-extract ng 100 espresso shot within 2 hours. Kasi they're going to serve iced coffee. So, now, i-check ko yung Meraki if kakayanin niya. Aside dun sa kakayanin ba ng espresso machine natin, yung 100 espresso shot, we need to consider also kung maganda din yung quality ng espresso shot. So, yun yung advantage ng Meraki kasi makikita mo yung time and yung actual weight niya. So, mas okay kasi lahat ng extracted na espresso shot is makikita mo kung good shot ba siya or bad shot siya or hindi siya magandang shot. So, ang kinagandahan ng Meraki is makikita mo dun sa pinaka LCD niya yung grams ng espresso shot as well as yung time niya. So, at least meron tayong guide. So, yun yung kinagandahan na. So, tara, let's go. So, let's start guys. So, 0, yan. Okay. Then, grind tayo ng coffee beans. So, 17.8, okay na yan. So, ito yung first two shots natin because this is double shot. So, inabot tayo ng 45 seconds pero 35 grams. Okay? Or mabigat yung pagkatam ko. I-adjust ko na lang next time. So, first two. Okay? So, brew speed is too slow. Okay? So, pwede kong i-adjust yung sa grinder size. Okay? So, pangalawa na. So, pwede ko siyang ilagay sa 9. Okay? So, complete. Brew speed is too slow pa rin. at least you get to see yung details niya. So, hindi mo na kailangan siyang timbangin from time to time. Okay? So, dahil mas low yung speed niya, I'm going to adjust until 10. Okay? So, try lang natin ng 10 or 11. So, 11. So, perfect na siya. 35 seconds, 35 grams. So, grinder ay 10 pala. Sorry. So, naka 11 minutes na tayo. Which is number 6 times up. So, 31 seconds, 35 grams. So again, kita mo dito yung seconds niya and yung grams. So 35 grams, 36 seconds. Perfect espresso shot. And makikita nyo yung krema. Ganda. Again, 36 seconds and 25 grams. So again, yung shot, 35 seconds, 35 grams. Okay? Yung brewing grams na into 37. Okay, para makuha natin yung 36 grams. So 37 seconds, 36 grams. So far, nakaka 20 minutes na tayo. And meron na ako ditong 20 espresso shot. So by the way guys, hindi siya pwedeng mag-grind while nag-extract. So dapat, unahin nyo muna yung pag-grind ng coffee. Okay? Pero pwede siyang mag-extract ng espresso shot at mag-steam ng sabay. And bawal din hawakan yung cup or yung mug habang nag-extract siya. Kaya i-stop yung process niya. So 37 seconds, 36 grams. So, this is our 12 double shots, pang 12 na. So 34 seconds, 36 grams. So again, 32 seconds, 36 grams. So again, it's 36 seconds, 36 grams. So it's 36 seconds, 36 grams. So it's 32 seconds, 36 grams. Then, pause muna natin yung timer. So, meron ako ditong na-extract na this is 16 double shot. So, total of 32 single shots. So, inabot ako ng approximately 29.57 seconds. So, yung pacing ko is medyo relax lang, pero continuous. So, all in all, let's say 30 minutes yung time na nagamit ko para dito sa 32 single shots. So, gusto ko siyang ituloy, however, sayang kasi wala akong paglalagyan ng espresso shot. And I'm planning na ilagay ito sa freezer for personal consumption. So, i-discuss ko din later yung mga advantage niya and kung ano yung mga disadvantage. So, first, dun tayo sa advantage. So, kung makikita nyo kanina, nakikita ko sa screen yung time and yung grams. So, yung first 2 to 3 extraction ko or shots, medyo matagal. So, lumalabas dun sa screen. Brewing is too slow. So, it's an indication na medyo fine yung beans. So, mas madali ko siyang in-adjust. Kasi nga, nakikita ko sa screen. Next is, continuous yung pagbubrew ko. And nakikita ko from time to time na maganda yung extraction na as I go along the extraction. So, nakikita ko palagi doon kung ano yung time, ano yung weight nung espresso shot. Kaya sobrang ganda nung ating espresso shot and maganda yung kanyang mga krema. Next, ang isa siguro sa disadvantage is hindi ka pwedeng mag-grind ng coffee habang nagbo-brew. So, ayun, pwede mong gawin yon habang nililinisan mo yung portafilter. So, pwede kang mag-grind na ng coffee beans. Second is, pwede ka namang mag-brew at the same time mag-steam. So, pwede siyang pagsabahin. However, this is for espresso shot lang yung video na to. So, kaya ginawa ko yung video na to. Kasi nga, for concern ng isang gusto mag-order. Habang nag-grind ako kanina, nakita nyo, naubos yung beans. Ang ginagawa ko is, hindi ko ini-stop yung procedure. What I'm doing is, naka-ready lang yung coffee beans and then, maglalagay lang ako or magre-refill dito. Another thing, you have to make sure na laging may laman yung tank niya. Okay? Dapat lagi siyang may water para hindi masira yung boiler nung sa espresso. Okay? So, ang magandang gawin doon is meron kayo naka-standby na pitcher. And then, pag nakita nyo yung water ko is, yan, from 2 liters, so naging parang less than 1 liter na lang siya. So, meron ka ng 32 single shots. So, ang maganda siguro is mag-prepare ka na ng pitcher sa water, or ng water sa pitcher, sorry. Tapos, naka-standby na lang. Tapos, pag nakita mo nagiging less than 500 ml yung water, or 1/4 nung tank, mag-refill ka na lang. Siguro hindi ka naman naabutin doon ng mga 30 seconds. So, kayo na lang mag-decide kung kamusta yung machine, kung kaya ba talaga. Well, for me, in 30 minutes, nakapag-extract na ako ng 32 single shots. So, kung 100 shots to, siguro aabutin ako ng mga 1 hour and let's say mga 40 minutes or 30 minutes. Kaya to siguro. So, dun sa tanong nung isang nag-i-inquire kung kaya ba niyang makapag-brew ng 100 single shots ng espresso, kasi gagamitin nila for events, parang for rental, kayang-kaya siya. Okay? In less than 2 hours, kaya mo nang makapag-extract ng espresso shot, and ang kinagandahan nun is, nakikita mo yung seconds and yung weight. So, mas accurate siya. Mas maganda yung extraction ng espresso o yung result ng espresso. Kailangan mo lang talaga naka-standby yung beans para mag-refill ka from time to time. Kasi yung capacity nito is nasa 110 grams. And yung water, dapat meron kang naka-ready na pitcher or any container na may water para hindi mo na to kailangan tanggalin. Buhos ka na lang ng buhos. Refill. Again, this is the Meraki espresso machine. And I hope nasagot na yung tanong nung isang nag-i-inquire. So, ito, what I'm planning to do here is ilalagay ito sa freezer for personal consumption. Para pag mag-ice coffee ako, ilalagay ko lang yung milk and then a little bit of honey or sugar. And then, lalagay ko na yung frozen na espresso shot. Ilang salamat!